A lot of business owners think that once they've registered their brand's logo, their brand is protected. But that's one of the most expensive mistakes an entrepreneur can make. Trademarking your logo and trademarking your brand name are two completely different things. And if you've only done one, you might have a significant gap in your brand's protection. Today, I want to clear up the confusion around trademarks, what they actually protect, what copyright protects and doesn't protect, and what brand owners need to do to fully protect what they've built. Things like written content, photos, original artwork, and music. If you create it and it's original, copyright protection applies automatically, but it protects the work itself, not your brand identity. Copyright says, I created this. Trademark says, this is how customers recognize my business. Both matter, but they're not interchangeable. When you register your logo, you're protecting the specific visual design, the combination of imagery, fonts, and colors that make up that mark. That protection does not automatically extend to your business name on its own. Think about it this way. Your logo trademark protects the picture, but if someone uses your name without the picture, that's a different mark and potentially not covered. We actually wrote a whole blog post on this exact scenario. It's called You Registered Your Logo, Your Brand Name is Still Exposed. I'll link it in the description because it walks through this gap in a lot more detail and it's worth a read. The takeaway here, comprehensive trademark protection usually means registering both, your logo as a design mark and your business name as a word mark, separately. Okay, so what does actually registering your trademark give you? Let me walk you through the big ones. First, nationwide rights. A federal registration through the USPTO gives you exclusive rights to use that mark across the entire United States in your category of goods or services. Not just your city, not just your state, the entire country. Second, a public record of ownership. Your registration is on file with the federal government. If someone infringes, they can't easily claim that they didn't know the mark existed. That matters in any enforcement action. Third, the trademark symbol. Once you've registered, you can use the registered trademark symbol. Before registration, you can only use the TM, which signals a claim but doesn't carry the same legal weight. Fourth, duration. A trademark doesn't expire the way a patent does. As long as you keep using the mark in commerce and file the required maintenance documentation, your trademark can last indefinitely. It's a long-term asset for your business. And fifth, enforcement power. Registration gives you the ability to send cease and desist letters, take action in federal court, and in cases of willful infringement, potentially recover damages and attorney's fees. In short, registration turns your brand identity into a legally protected business asset, and the earlier you do it, the stronger your position. Before I wrap up, I want to quickly identify 3 mistakes I see the most often. Number 1, registering only the logo and assuming the name is covered. We've talked about this one, but it's worth saying twice. Number 2, waiting too long. The longer you wait, the more risk you take on. Common law rights do exist from the moment that you start using your mark, but they're limited to your geographic area, and they're much harder to enforce. Federal registration locks in your rights nationwide and establishes your priority date as soon as possible. Number 3, registering in the wrong class. Trademarks are registered by category. Your goods or services have to be correctly identified and classified. Registering in the wrong class can mean that your brand is unprotected in the actual industry that you are in. It's one of those things that's easy to get wrong, and it's hard to fix after the fact. If you've built a brand, a name people recognize, a logo that they associate with your work, a reputation that you've earned, that is a real business asset, one that we want to protect. At Business Law Group, we offer dedicated trademark sessions where we walk you through your current situation, identify any gaps, and map out exactly what you need to register to be fully protected. Flat-free pricing so that you know what you're investing on the front end. If you have any questions about your specific situation, please feel free to reach out. We're happy to assist.